Medit Cart installation guide with pro tips. We recommend wearing gloves during the installation. Check the Medit Cart components. The package includes a user guide and 10 components. Install the casters on the cart base. Place the cart base. Set the caster. Use the open-end wrench. Place the caster perpendicular to the cart base and use a wrench to tighten it. Tighten the hex nut on each caster. Attach all 4 casters to the base. Align the storage compartments. Place the storage compartments on the base. Open the base cabinet. Insert the bolt into the hole. Tighten the bolt with the L-shaped wrench. Repeat the process. Cover the bolts with caps. Secure the castle nut. Lay down the protective material included in the package and place the cart on top of it. Attach the castle nut to the pipe. Set the top board. Secure the top board. Press the blue spring buttons to secure the top board. Press the buttons alternately on each side and gently apply downward pressure. Arrange the power strip. Remove the top board cover. Route the power strip cable through the pipe. You can also store the laptop's AC adapter on the cart's top board. Place the power strip in the base cabinet and connect the power cord of the AC adapter. Attach the L bracket to the board. Fasten bolts under the board. Install the wall mount holder from the scanner package. The Medit Cart setup is now complete. Option: monitor attachment. Components. Check the monitor attachment components. Secure the monitor attachment onto the top surface of the storage compartments. Setting Visa mount and clamp to the pipe. Find the bolt that fits the holes on the back of the monitor from the MA to D components. Fasten the bolts with the L-shaped wrench. Repeat and attach the Visa mount to the monitor. Set the clamp on the pipe. Tighten it with the L-shaped wrench. Ensure the brackets of the clamp are secure. Repeat for the laptop holder. Loosen the clamp joint bolt counterclockwise. Adjust the clamp joint to upward. Attach the Visa mount to the laptop holder. Installing the monitor and the laptop holder. Insert the monitor mount into the clamp joint. Secure it using the Visa mount screw. Insert the laptop holder mount into the clamp joint. Secure it using the Visa mount screw. Inside the monitor attachment, there is a space for a power strip. Arrange the power strip inside and route its power cable through the pipe in the storage compartments and under the cart base to keep them organized. The Medit Cart setup is now complete.